Oh, hi! This week, I'm gonna Marie Kondo the shit out of my closet. Let's spark some joy, shall we? First step is to take everything out and put it in a pile. Let's get right into it. There's more shit here. This is more of a workout than I was anticipating. And yes, all of the garments I'm wearing do spark joy. I just bought this sweater. Makes me feel like I'm in a 90s cartoon. Makes me very happy. So many things, but that's why we're here. This is probably gonna stress me out, so I'm gonna treat myself while I'm doing this. Here's what you need. Willpower. All right, let's fucking get into it. I'm gonna start a try-on pile. You know what? No. They're brown. I don't really do brown. The get rid of pile. Also, no. I sweat too much for khaki. Also, never get worn. Get rid of pile. Gotta let it go. My instinct here is to be like, oh, I can save the lace and use it for something else. But I'd rather donate this because it is an awesome dress. Off it goes. I'm going to add this to my copy pile in my sewing room because I don't love the pattern. And this is kind of bleached out, but I really like the fit of it. This hasn't fit me since I got it. I am going to take these buttons off though. So I'm going to add this to my sewing room pile. This just doesn't suit me anymore. Yeah, I'm going to let this one go. I love the color on this so much, but that's a go. Do I make the bottom into a skirt though? See, I'm doing the thing. I really like this. So I hand stitched some patches on here from a band, but they're wildly inappropriate now, so I don't wear it because it's uncomfortable doing that, but especially because these are so like loosely hand stitched on, I'm gonna take the patches off. Maybe add other ones. And you know what? I've changed my mind. This can go, and this one I was going to turn into a skirt. I think where I would want to wear it, it's still going to be too short. So, goodbye little buddy. I just took the patches off of here and the buttons off of that polka dot dress. I realized that taking the buttons off meant it wasn't going to be a functional garment. I don't want to donate like damaged goods. I love polka dot fabric, so I put that in my garments to be used for scrap fabric bin, and then yeah, put that other dress in my garments to copy pile. Ugh, okay. Business pants. I feel like I should keep one pair. These are definitely not it. Again, I sweat too much for khaki. I can't. And these are like real thick wool ones. I almost never wore these. And this is like really good wool. So I think I'm gonna save this material. I think no on these. These don't do anything for me. No, these don't do anything for me either. All my business pants are gone. Nothing makes me feel like I'm dressed in a costume like wearing business casual clothing. Yeah, that feels really good. I'm also just now realizing I have an entire hamper full of clean laundry that I'll need to go through. I do like this. It's like a really nice cold weather skirt. Although what I preferred is something else. Pretty sure I would like it more as a scarf. Oh my god. Was wondering where this hat went. Ooh, I found a tiny stool I made in shop class in 8th grade. Now for the pile that actually fit on the bench. This is still so many clothes. I really like this one. I need to swap out the buttons though. I'm going to put this in my sewing pile. I'm going to swap the buttons on this too. And now we're into probably the biggest category, which is t-shirts. I will do pocket. I like it's not a t-shirt. So I love it. I like this green. I like it also. Oh, it's so chubby. I'm gonna swap out the top of this with the top of this. Do an old school sewing nerd Frankenstein shirt. That's the kind of shit I used to do all the time. But I don't care about shirt shirts. There's only a few exceptions to that. I was very much on the so depending on what I'm with, but when it's like from your logo, shirt has pockets and it's long. I don't even wear it. These are my shirts for sure. This is your happy eyes, like all kind of fudge through. So yeah, I mean, I really have I do really these simple shorts. I wear like things, but I do also wear it. I don't wear anything. Don't pile. Maybe it's also I think I do shorts. I do have like. Sometimes it's a good girl, you know. I do miss I did have something like t-shirt. What is the color? Yeah, I have a pattern for this kind of shirt. That's just well, that's a this is a well. Had a wait for the front shirt. Yeah, both these shirts. Very happy. I'm going to take all of this. This is my Cornell shirt. I added 6 sleeves that I work for so that this basically I wear it very often. I did watch it as another job. Whatever it is. So I'm sorry. Yeah. And you're like, oh, I don't wear it. Well, I need this. I'm just gonna wear it. No, I'm wearing I love those in dark. It's cool. I don't wear sexuring like these heavy ones. I don't know. So I love color. Yeah. Yeah. It's very happy. It's teal color. Absolutely. If I take one, that's our keep. I love these shirts with color. You're just color. I do on this. I love my shirts, but I do like this a lot. Actually, it's not this is Tiffany. I was with a friend, and I'm just wearing right now. It's the IG and it's just such a fun show. Yeah, it's nice. Just one of the bands. I introduce you. They're really good. This one. But yeah, this one won't sleep. I wear more casually though. It's really nice. I enjoy wearing it. No, I do shit like that, but I don't. But I don't just. But I don't just do both. So it's very fun. I have one of those special shirts. And yeah, I do wear one. I do right now. Alright, okay. Tank top or black tank top with long skirts. One of your wear. Oh yeah, no, tank tops. And I really love such a shirt from summer. I haven't looked at this in a couple years though. Yeah, I don't know. The shirt was kind of green, but it's such a funny shirt. It's a Mercy extension that I really like. I'm not gonna say forever. It's such a good like summer shirt. Yeah. When I first got my girly clothes, this material is very design. I love and Tiffany. Yeah, I think I love a lot. The video has no sleeves on it, so really white here. And I mean, like it's all warm. I use sleeves on my first halter that I did, and yeah, let's see. This is an alternate I never wear. This is a Neighbors shirt. That's a go carrying color shirt. I don't have to understand it. Oh, man, I'm doing that. I actually want to see it. This was you know, Neighbors shirt like good jeans and maybe take this like anywhere else. And then the business tops. I don't give a shit about this. That doesn't make me happy. This doesn't make me happy. And a black button up. Impossible to keep clean. I can't do it. Fuck all the business casual clothes. And that's the end of my pile. As far as stuff on the door, this is my winter coat. It makes me happy to have a really good winter coat. But then this is my pea coat that I can wear on less cold days because it's just like sweatshirt material, so it doesn't hold out the cold as much. But I don't feel as bad getting rid of my vacation shirt because I have a big patch on the back. But these are the buttons I replaced. And they make me so happy. But yeah, that's the pile. This is all the stuff I'm gonna get rid of. That feels really good. These are all basically going to become patches for my t-shirt scrap pile. That'll be a whole nother video, or 5. I'm feeling really good about this. I still have other things to go through, but I'll get there. This has taken a very long chunk of my day, and I have so many other things to do. I'm prepping for the art fair that I'm doing. It's called the Nerd Market. It's at the Mill number 5 in Lowell, Massachusetts. That's next weekend, the 16th of February. It's a Saturday. If you're in the northern Massachusetts area, please come hang out. It'll be super fun. If you want to see future videos, maybe pertaining to closet things, because I have so much more to go through, feel free to subscribe. If you want to come hang out over on my Patreon, I did some extra footage about my closet in a video over there. That'll be an exclusive at the end of this month. I'll see y'all in a couple days. It's a little Carmen Sandiego, you know?